this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to sign out of Google account on all devices. To sign out of Google account on all devices, you want to click on the Google's service, any service that you could open up, and then tap on the initials from the top right. Make sure to select the correct account, and moving on, tap on Manage Your Google Account. As you go to the Manage My Google Account, then you have to click on Your Devices. When you go to the Your Devices section, you could find a list of devices that is logged in. You could scroll down right to the bottom and you could just simply tap on Sign Out of All Devices that you're logged in. All you need to do is just tap on it and then type in the password to confirm your identity. And once you're done with that, you might also have to type in the authentication code, or you might be asked to select the number in order to verify your identity for a security concern. And once done, you could just simply click on the sign out button, confirm it. And with that being said, in a flash of a light, your account has been signed out of all other devices. So this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.